Hi love, it's your girl Press Natural Glow. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to take you guys to the process on how I make my whitening face cream, my strong whitening face cream. So firstly, I'll introduce all the ingredients I'm going to be using. So this video is not going to be too long because I have already made it easy before the camera. So here we have our base cream. This is a natural base cream, a base cream formulated by us from scratch. Okay, so this base cream helps to lighten up the face on its own. Okay, it helps to lighten up the face on its own and brightening up dark spot and hyperpigmentation on your face. Okay, please know that you cannot use the base cream you're using on your body for your face, or the one you're using on your face for your body. Okay, and getting base cream out there is good, but the problem here is getting from a right vendor, like knowing that fully well that okay, this is a base cream that really works and it does not react on your face. Do you understand? So that's why I prefer making my base cream by myself, mostly my face base cream. I love making it by myself. Okay, the effectiveness you are looking for depend on your base cream. If your base cream is not active, believe me, there is no amount of whitening serums, powders you're going to add that will make it that effective. Instead, it's either it makes it dark, like it darkens your product, or it rat on your face. So make sure your base cream is good to go before the rest of the ingredients. So here I have my sunburn remover cream. Guys, this cream is very good for sunburn. If you're battling with sunburn and you have tried a lot, I recommend this. But so we're using two, and this base cream we have here is 1 kg. I'm actually making 2.5 kg of face cream for a customer. So the next one I have here is this of facial serum, this green tea babu leaf. Okay, so this serum is very amazing, guys. It's very good. You can actually use this direct on your face if you're battling with acne, edge spots, you're battling with hyperpigmentation. This is very good and it helps to whitening the face as well. So I'm using this for youthful glowing and moisturizing the face. I'm using one of these, and the next I have here is my propylene glycol. Okay, and here I have my vegetable grassland. Guys, if you are a subscriber, you know that I don't joke with my propylene glycol and vegetable grassland, any product at all. Okay, so the next I have here is this Dr. Rachel ampoules. This is a whitening ampoules. It also helps to prevent dark spots and oxidant even at the skin and firm and whitening the face. Okay, so this is very good. You can use this for your face cream and your body lotion as well. It's very effective, and also your promised face serum. But please, most of you should stop promising face serum. Okay, just do it from scratch. That's just it. So I'm going to be using just two of these ampoules. Okay, I'm using two of these ampoules. So let's go. Firstly, I'm going to add the burn remover. Guys, the aim of me adding this is because I don't just want my product whitening of the face just like that. I love it when my product whitens the face and treats and repair the face. So if you have a dark spot on your face and you want to whiten up your face, you have acne, you have hyperpigmentation, and you want to whiten up your face, guys, our product is just the best because it's going to do everything at once for you. It whitens and treats the face at once. Okay, not like just whitening up the face and you start looking for another product you can use to treat your face. So like I said, I'm using two of this bond remover. I actually like the texture of this face cream, but I don't like the smell, but it works. That is just what matters. The next I'm going to add is this serum, but firstly let me mix this together. Okay guys, I've added my serum. So the next one I'm going to add is the ampoules. So I've added the 2 ampoules. Okay, I'll go ahead and add my propylene glycol. I'm adding just 1 spoon of my propylene glycol. So guys, if you're still watching this video to this extent, that means you're enjoying the video. Please help me to subscribe and smash the like button. Share this with your friends and family, okay? So I'm adding 1 spoon of my propylene glycol and 1 spoon of my vegetable grassland. So go ahead and mix this again. So guys, I'm not going to add preservative or fragrance into this because my base, I have already added preservative, and the product I add, the serum and the bone remover, they actually have their own preservative, so I don't want to add more preservative to it. And now let me ask this question. Just answer me in the comment section. To you now, what would you call this? Is it promixing or organic? The base is organic, then the rest of the things I added is things I bought, like other brand or products. So is this production a promixing or organic? Let me know that in the comment section. So I'll go ahead and add my rose water. Now this rose water on its own helps to moisturize the face and tone the face. So I'm adding this because I don't want my face cream to be thick and sticky, okay? So, and again, it's also going to moisturize the face, like I said. So you go ahead and mix this together, guys. I'm going to mix this with hand mixer. I don't have lights now, so I'll just go ahead and mix it like this and cover it. Mix it together with my mixer, and the product is ready to go. So if you want to try this, just go ahead and try it, but please be mindful of the base you're using. And if you want to use this, please use it only at night, okay? Use it only at night, do not use at the daytime. And if you're getting anyhow base that you're not sure of, you're not sure if the base really whitens or lightens the face on its own, please, all this I just added, the few things I just added, you have to add more of it. The reason why I added just these few things is because the product, the base on its own, is a bit active. So adding all this is just to, you know, brightening and glow the skin, the face more, okay? So if you're looking forward to a very strong whitening face cream and your base is not that strong on its own, please add more of the product. And before you add some of the ingredients, make sure they some of the products, please make sure the ingredient there align with the ones you have already added or the ones in your base. It matters. The problem most of you have is that you don't even know what you're adding into your promixing. You just go out there and buy this and buy that. There's some products that are not meant to combine together, and when you do that, it's going to result a lot of issues. That's why when you make a lot of production, you end up trashing it because of reaction. Some people don't actually trash because they'll be like, oh, I'm not going to waste my money, but it's better you trash it than damaging people's skin and creating a bad name for your brand, okay? So just go ahead, mix it and cover it till NEPA decide to bring light. So see you guys on my next video. Please help me to subscribe and smash the like button. Share this with your friends and family. And if you're new subscribers, thank you guys for stopping by. Please subscribe and turn on your post notification. And guys, we are going to be uploading a lot of videos because we have a lot of orders from customers, resellers. So we have a lot of new product I'm going to be sharing with you guys. So stay tuned and see you guys on my next video. Bye. Love you guys.